Here I have HUAWEI Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on and you can see the Huawei logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the last option, safe mode. And after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, excuse me, that's not it. And as you can see, now the sign says that we are in a safe mode right now. As you can see, in a safe mode there's no internet connection because internet connection is not safe for you. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.